turned the music on.
He was trying to call his son. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up.
I need this hair to start growing now.
See, well, see, this is what I'm gonna clean up. Watch. Hold your head down, Reagan. Hold it down. You see that? Oh, that's gonna have to go.
Ray, you didn't forget about that type of stuff, did you?
I ain't thought about it. Since the last 3 ponytails I put in there now.
Now Lily wearing the 3 ponytails.
Okay.
The same
ones. All right, here you go. Come over here.
No!
Put you in the closet. Go home.
Oh, okay. I got one in the chair. I'm late for my lunch, so I'm about to make
I gotta get back to work.
now. And then
I want to see what the rest of it looks like.
You know what's so funny? Even with the back area, it's not gonna always get all the way super duper the way you want it. Because most of the times I use clippers. Actually, I don't use scissors for that. Just go. Cause like sometimes you can keep cutting, get up, end up being shorter than what. Right. Well, the memories of cutting Reagan's hair. First actual haircut. I wear it straight just like that, Reagan. But if you do the body wave, it'll last longer. Reagan, it look like we put weave in it. I should post like, look at my natural sew-in. Well, people at college won't know how long your hair was. They ain't gonna believe it unless they see pictures. How you like it, Reagan? Aww. She just want to look a hint of Korean, that's all. All that Korean movies and stuff she be watching. Yeah, can I keep some? Put in the bag. That's your first haircut. Reagan. How you feel, Reagan? Feel light? All right. He's sad about it, but it's all right. He allowed her to make her own decision. Oh, this look like I just bought it. Look, y'all. I just bought a pack of hair. All her hair in here.
Don't be having a rabbit, but that's what I'm saying. Shorter, yeah, the shorter your hair is, the more maintenance you got on your hair. That's a good thing, because you can still ponytail it. If it would have been like you was in that dream I had, bro. I had a dream to tie better hair, and I was like, I just had a dream that morning. I was like, they gotta cut Taya out. She's like, look. And I'm like, who did this? I'm looking at Taya in the face. Taya just got a little stupid look. She ain't saying it. Listen. And she's like, and then Soupy catch the sun. It was like fancy. It was like all like, oh. Yeah, she had an undercoat. Oh, you went in.
Oh, I gotta pick up the kids. You just remind me. From daycare, because you gotta go somewhere at 4. Thanks for reminding me. There ain't nothing but Lord, baby.